Nidhi from Edulyx powered by Science Adda. I welcome you to another episode of Edulyx. So today we are going to talk about a very interesting thing, something kids love a lot and something that we adults need to get in touch with again. So we are going to talk about bubbles. So what do we need to make bubbles? We need soap, we need some water and we need a straw or better of a pen. So just need to mix soap into water and then mix it well, and if we have added enough soap, you can blow into the straw and make bubbles. Blow into it. So you can see I have made some bubbles. So you would say that making bubbles is very easy. What do we need? Some water, some soap and a straw. That's true. But there is a lot of science behind these bubbles. So let's talk about the science behind bubbles. So first of all, why do we need to add soap to make bubbles from water? So the answer is surface tension. So you would have seen that when you slap your hand onto the water, something inside water pushes your hand upward. So it's the surface tension of the water. The water molecules stick together very closely and do not want to separate. So when you put some soap into the water, it allows water molecules to move apart. So when you blow air into this soap water solution, the air releases the surface tension and allows us to form these bubbles. So the next thing, why are bubbles always round? So bubble is air. So air like to exert equal pressure in all the directions. So the easiest way to do that is to make a sphere. So bubbles are round. So another thing is, why do bubbles pop so easily? So you must remember that bubbles are actually water. So as soon as the water disappears, the bubble pops up. So when we release bubbles into the air, there might be a number of reasons due to which the bubble pops up. So if the temperature is very high, if it's very bright sunlight, if you release bubble into the air, it would pop up as soon as it is released. While if it's a rainy day, it would take some time because there are water molecules all in the air and it's very humid. If anything punches the membrane of the bubble, like your finger or some stick or something else in the air, it may be another reason for the bubble to pop up. So the next question is, can bubbles be made stronger? Yes, they can be. So what you need to do is, you need to add a little amount of glycerin into the soap and water solution and let it sit for 24 hours. And then you can blow your bubbles and they would remain in the air forever. So what you need to do after the video is, do the experiment in which you mix soap water with glycerin and let it sit for 24 hours and then make your bubbles. And shoot the video and post it on your Instagram and Facebook page and tag us at @Edulyx. Thank you for watching the video and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Edulyx.